ICOs were at the boom in early 2018, but due to failure of some big ICOs, the whole idea of ICO dumped and failed badly. But now in 2020, idea of the ICOs boomed again with the help of BSC network. Now in past about 4 months, some BSC network ICOs give up to 60 to 80x from the ground price. And in this video, I will share our latest coin which is in ICO mode right now and will give you profit up to 60x easily. So if you want to know more and want to make some good amount of money, this video is for you.
Feel uninvited.
Base Reward token is a decentralized finance token that rewards its holders 60% of the ecosystem fees using POS, Proof of Stake Protocol. Customer loyalty is not being rewarded adequately by the businesses. In this scenario, the organization's growth benefits the founders, board members, shareholders, and employees. The core idea, or you can say the entire idea of the Base Reward team, is to combine the cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and different businesses in one place and get the users rewarded for their loyalty, share in revenue, and participate in decision making, as a token holder rewards shall be given to all the users in token for every transaction carried out or any of the services of the platform. There are a number of new services which at this time the team of the Base Reward is offering. The first one is instant exchanger, instant swapping between the cryptos in 3 to 15 minutes and cheapest market rates. The team is going to provide you the best service on the blockchain with up to 100 plus cryptos and fiat currencies supported. The fees is as low as 0.5%. Secondly, card service. Reloadable virtual cards are neither easy to access nor cheap among the users online who want to remain anonymous online. Base Reward token will bridge the gap between the price and bureaucracy to give the secure and easy way to shop and transact online in Africa and worldwide. Next is basically e-commerce service. In whole Africa, it was about 16.5 billion in 2017 and is expected to reach up to 29 billion by 2022. So here basically the Base Reward is going to take the advantage with the huge market in e-commerce of Africa. And in last but not the least, that is mobile gaming. Global mobile game revenue in 2019 grew up to 68.5 billion. Now some main authentications are basically going to estimate that in 2020 that number will be 76.7 billion, a 12% increase. The gaming industry in Africa is expected to register up to 12% during the forecast period of 2020 up to 2025. Right now this token is available on the Binance Smart Chain. Here you can see the entire thing of the BRT token. Now how you can purchase it, that is basically a big question. Simply I will share the link of the website, then you have to click on the sign up icon, and when you are going to click on that, you just have to enter your first name, your email address, your password, confirm password, and simply you have to click over here that I agree for the token sale terms and conditions, and simply you can create your account. After creating your account, you can simply log into your account and you can purchase the coin in Litecoin, Ethereum, and also in BTC. You can simply purchase the coin right now. You have 7 days left for buying this coin, and definitely this coin will give you up to minimum 60x in near future. What you think, do let me know in the comment section. Here you can see the main thing, the token distribution, or you can say the tokenomics. 18.4% for the airdrops, bounty, and the partners. 30.41% staking reward for the tokens. 6.6% for the founders and team. 25% pre-sale that is ongoing at the moment. So it's the best time for you to purchase this token. Basically, if you are going to hold this token, for example, about next 4 to 6 weeks, you will able to make easily 60 to 80x. So this will be a hidden gem for you in 2020. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, and I will share all the links in the description so you can check the entire thing. Thanks a lot.